Hello to everybody in the Elanco EMEA team. So today just a short comment on our efforts on hunger. I personally first time experienced the problems of poverty and hunger originally in Argentina, but it really hit me hard when I was in the US, and volunteering in a soup kitchen. I got a thank you letter from a kid called David who said to the soup kitchen volunteers, "Thank you very much. Since I get your help, my tummy doesn't hurt anymore on Monday." So that was a breaking time for me of understanding that I was living in a developed economy and with kids that on the weekend they don't have enough to eat, and that they develop just pain out of hunger. But then I was volunteering with our Elanco team here in Europe, in Madrid, soup kitchens in Madrid, in Brussels, we call it Poverello, one of the foundations that we help, in Antwerp, Mothers for Mothers, in France, with the La Foulée de la Femme, that is to help children that cannot afford enough quality meals. Lately, we discovered that there are 20 million households in Europe that cannot afford a high quality food every other day, something that we take for granted. It's not anymore in developing economies, it's everywhere. And now we have a global group of employees. We call them the ambassadors fighting for hunger in Elanco, and they have created a challenge for all of us. If we live below the line, this is if we eat with less than €1.50 for 1 or to 5 days, to experience how it feels for an adult or for the children to live like that, Eli Lilly will make a donation of $25 per each of us who volunteer to experience firsthand how hard it is to live in those situations and how important it is our cause to fight food security, to create a food secure world. So please join the Below the Line challenge and we'll learn from it. Thank you.